Good morning, children. Today's session, we are going to discuss about nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. Today's session plan, nitrogen fixation, importance of nitrogen fixation, types of nitrogen fixation, nitrogen cycle, steps involved in nitrogen cycle. What is nitrogen fixation? The process of converting free atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds, that is usable form, which can be easily absorbed by the plants and other organisms, is called nitrogen fixation. It is one of the most important biochemical process on the earth. It is an important part of the nitrogen cycle. Now, importance of nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is a major component of a chlorophyll, which is vital for the process of photosynthesis. It is an essential part of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. It is an important component of nucleic acids such as DNA, the genetic material. So, nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plant growth, development, and reproduction. Even though our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas, it cannot be utilized directly by the plants or animals. Plants get the nitrogen that need from the soil, which has been already fixed by the bacteria and blue-green algae. Now we are going to see types of nitrogen fixation. There are three types. First is atmospheric nitrogen fixation. During lightning, the high temperature and pressure is created in the air, which converts atmospheric nitrogen into oxides of the nitrogen, which dissolves in rainwater and reaches the soil. Next is industrial nitrogen fixation. In industries, under great pressure, at the temperature of 600 degrees Celsius, atmospheric nitrogen and hydrogen are combined to form ammonia and can be used as fertilizers. Third one is biological nitrogen fixation. More than 90% of nitrogen fixation is done by the nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the soil. There are two types of nitrogen fixing bacteria. Free living bacteria like Nostoc, Azotobacter, Clostridium, etc. fixes the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil, which will be used by the non-leguminous plants. Symbiotic bacteria like Rhizobium live in the root nodules of leguminous plant like pea. Within the nodules, the bacteria convert the free nitrogen to ammonia, which the host plant utilizes for its growth and development. Now next, nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is a natural cyclic process in which atmospheric nitrogen enters the soil and becomes a part of a living organism and back into the atmosphere. It involves several processes such as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification, and denitrification. Now, steps involved in nitrogen cycle we are going to see in detail. Nitrogen fixation. It is the initial step of nitrogen cycle. Here, atmospheric nitrogen, which is primarily available in an inert form, is converted into usable form ammonia. The entire process of nitrogen fixation is completed by bacteria and blue-green algae. Nitrogen fixation can also occur either by the atmospheric fixation or industrial fixation. Second step is nitrification. In this process, ammonia is converted into nitrate by the presence of bacteria in the soil. It involves two steps. Nitrates are formed by the oxidation of ammonia with the help of nitrosomonas bacteria. Later, the produced nitrates are converted into nitrates by nitrobacter. Assimilation. Primary producers like plants take in nitrogen compound from the soil with the help of the roots and are used in the formation of plant and animal proteins. This way, it enters the food web when the primary consumers eat the plant. Next is ammonification. When the plants or animals die, the nitrogen present in the organic matter is released back into the soil. The decomposers, namely bacteria and fungi, are present in the soil, convert the organic matter back into ammonia. The last step. It is the process in which nitrogen compounds makes its way back into the atmosphere by converting nitrate into gaseous nitrogen. This process of nitrogen cycle is the final stage. Denitrification is carried out by the denitrifying bacteria like Pseudomonas, etc. We are going to see in this slide how nitrogen is recycled in our biosphere. Nitrogen gas, which is primarily available in an inert form, exists in abundance in the atmosphere. This nitrogen gas has to be converted into usable form by nitrogen fixation. There are three methods of nitrogen fixation. First one is biological nitrogen fixation. More than 90% of nitrogen fixation is done by biological method, where symbiotic bacteria and free living bacteria helps to fix the nitrogen in the soil. The other two types are by lightning method and the atmospheric nitrogen fixation by lightning, and then industrial nitrogen fixation by fertilizers. Next step is nitrification. In this process, ammonia is converted into nitrates. There are two steps involved in this process, nitrification process. First is ammonia is converted into nitrates with the help of the bacteria Nitrosomonas. Then nitrates is converted into nitrate with the help of the bacteria Nitrobacter. Next is assimilation. The nitrogenous compound present in the soil is absorbed by the plant through the roots and are used in the formation of plant protein and animal protein. This is called assimilation test. Next, dead and decayed organic matter then converted into ammonia by the process called ammonification. You can see in orange color here. Ammonification with the help of the decomposers like bacteria and fungi. The last and final step is denitrification, where the nitrates are converted into atmospheric nitrogen by the denitrifying bacteria called Pseudomonas. Like this, nitrogen is cycle helps in order to maintain the equilibrium of nitrogen in the atmosphere. Thank you.